What you see in our numbers for the first half is that some of the wealth numbers came down because the peer-to-peer, which we stopped last year, is running off. But if you take out that peer-to-peer, actually the revenue growth has been very strong, again on the back of 65% underlying business growth, and actually we've seen the take rates on all the products and services on the platform increase in that period. So I think that's the right trend to look for going forward.
So can investors be confident that what is essentially a legacy issue is behind you at this point?
Thankfully, yes. And I think that it was well addressed, and we've got a lot of other things going on.
And same sort of question on the credit impairment losses as well. Those jumped quite a bit over the past couple of years. What's behind that jump? And again, is that something investors should be concerned about?
No, I don't think it's anything to be concerned about. In fact, if you look at our numbers relative to the market, they're often multiple times better and still extremely low. There's a little bit of macro in that, but in terms of what it means for our business, our growth, our net margins, we continue to perform very positively. We don't think that's an issue.
Is that something you can address with technology?
It is your ability, I think, to constantly update your models at an amazing speed now, right? Because every model you have that's judging risk or matching product to customer is always now being refined with machine learning. And so you're able to detect much more quickly where there are differences in customer segment, where there are differences in a product, where there are differences in a geography. How do you need to tune to best manage the risk?
So in terms of the macro aspect, is that to do with sort of the difficulties that we've seen in the Chinese economy so far?
Yeah, I mean, I think the Chinese economy has been transitioning a lot in the last couple of years. I mean, people talk about it a lot in terms of trade wars. There's also been a background story of just its own transition in how it changes its sectors.